welcome to my channel, that is Let's Learn IT. In this video, I'm going to share some important information about how to install Python on your computer. Python is widely used high-level programming language. Python is considered as one of the most popular and flexible server-side programming language. So let's get started. Step 1. Download Python executable installer. Open your web browser and navigate to the Downloads for Windows section of the official Python website. Search for your desired version. Select the link to download executable installer. You can see the option on my screen. Next step. Next step is run the executable installer that you have just downloaded. Run the Python installer once you download it. Make sure you select the install launcher for all user and add Python 2 path. These two options you have to select. Select install now the recommended installation options. The next dialog box will prompt you to select whether to disable path length limit. Choosing this path length limit, this one, will allow Python to bypass the 260 character max path limit. Effectively, it will enable Python to use long path names. The disable path length limit option will not affect any other system settings. Next step. Let's move for the next step. Next step is verify Python was installed on Windows. Navigate to the directory in which Python was installed on the system. Double-click python.exe. The output should be similar to what you are seeing on my screen. You can also check whether the installation was successful by typing python-v in prompt. The output should display your installed version of Python. Let's move for the next step. Next step is verify PIP was installed. If you opted to install an older version of Python, it is possible that it did not come with PIP pre-installed. PIP is a powerful package management system for Python software package. Enter pip-v in the console. You should see the following output which is available on my screen. Next step is add Python path to environment variable, that is optional. Now in the step where I was running the executable file, where I was running the executable installer, I have take on the add Python to path checkbox. In some version, this option is not available. For this, you have to follow these steps in the add Python to environment variable. And if you have checked that option, so there is no need to follow this step. If you are adding this option, it is already included in your package if you have checked on that particular box. If the Python installer does not include the add Python to path checkbox, or if you have not selected, maybe you have forgot to select that option, in that case also you have to follow these steps. Open the start menu and start the run as. Type sysdm.cpl like on my screen and click OK. This open system properties and you have to type the path of your Python like given in the screen. Navigate to the advanced tab, select environment variables. Under System Variables, find and select the path variables. Click Edit. Select the variables value field. Add the path to the python.exe file preceded with semicolon. You have to click there. You have to put semicolon there. Now let's move for the next step. Next step is install virtual environment. Install virtual environment. This is also optional. Now you need one last software package, virtual environment. Virtual environment enables you to create isolated local virtual environments for your Python project. Open the start menu and type cmd. Select the command prompt application. Type the following pip command. You can see this command on the screen. This command you have to type on console and this virtual environment will be installed on your computer. So, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my video. So, install Python to your computer, and in my next video, we will create more programs in Python. You have to practice also with this because it's good. If you are practicing, you will learn the computer programming language Python very easily when you are practicing it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please click on subscribe button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.